Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have your project and the original files. Now start relinking. First, check that file names and basic metadata are preserved on disk because Resolve matches by name. In the media pool, select the offline clips or the whole bin you want to fix. Once selected, right-click and choose Relink Selected Clips, then browse and point Resolve to the folder containing the source files. This begins a targeted search and is the only surefire method to restore links without manual clip replacement. Once you point to a folder, Resolve scans files and applies matching rules. Make sure Include Subfolders is on when media lives in nested folders. If file names differ or you have multi-cam reels, switch matching criteria to timecode and reel ID so Resolve can align clips by metadata. When structure is complex, use media storage to navigate to the precise parent folder first, then relink from the media pool. This reduces false matches and avoids duplicate media imports, keeping your timelines intact and synced. After relinking, play back the timeline to confirm edits and check clip attributes like duration, frame rate, and timecode to ensure correct matches. Use Reveal in Finder or Explorer from the media pool to see which file Resolve actually attached. If clips remain offline, stop and verify exact file names, extensions, and real ID. Mismatches are the usual culprit. As a last resort, run media management to consolidate or restore original file names, and then repeat relink selected clips. That typically fixes stubborn offline cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.